back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send files on Messenger. Okay guys, let's dive into our Messenger. And I want to send the files, our document, or anything, either PDF or music or video, anything. So just come here, look for the person you want to send the files to, click on the person's profile picture like this. When you click on the messages, click on this plus menu button here, and now click on your files. Now you can browse and search the files you wanted to send. So let's browse on it. Okay, now this is something you want to send. Just click on the thing you want to send, and you have automatically sent the files to the person. It is very easy, no any shortcut, no any hidden things. Just click on the plus menu button, look for your files, and then click on the files you want to send, and you click on it, and the files is going to send to that person automatically. It's like, okay guys, so if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.